Good morning, Judd here with a very quick cooking with Judd. Something I whipped up ad-libbed the other day that came out really good. I really liked it, so I thought I'd throw a cooking with Judd on with it. Basically, I cooked up a couple of tortillas and put a piece of cheese on them. And then it all started, I cooked up an egg. I had one egg left. So I cooked up an egg, camp style. In other words, break up the yolk and just squish it around a little bit. And then I had some boar's head roast beef. I decided I'd wrap the egg up in a slice of roast beef. Then it dawned on me to put it on a tortilla and put a slice of cheese on it. Okay, so we lay on our roast beef there. Salt that up good. I'm using sea salt now. I was told regular salt is not good. Apparently they add something to regular salt, or so they say. I don't know. I just know the sea salt, man, I can barely taste it. Now we don't want to cook up the egg too much. Just enough to keep it together. And then we'll flip it over lightly, just again to seal it up. That ought to be enough right there. Yep, there we go. Okay, so we put our egg on there. Look at that. Oh, that smells so good. We got our egg, our roast beef, and our cheese, and then we just roll it up in the tortilla. With a pair of tortillas. Bring that down a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Then we roll that up in the paper towel, let it set for a minute to all settle in. Oh, and I do want to point out the cheese I'm using is this deluxe American cheese from Publix, which is not individually wrapped, so you got to peel it apart. But this is so good. I just love this stuff. Okay, so that's that. Except, of course, for the tasting. Oh, that is so good. Cheese, roast beef, and an egg on a tortilla. The McJudd. Happy day to you.